Elmo is mad. It's funny how much that changes. He really looks mad. And now he's happy. Oh no, he's mad. It's crazy. I don't know why it's still here. It's supposed to be going around. Keep him going, it says. I guess not. Oh, by the way, Andrew made this. Andrew Paget. There is a spooky, scary skeleton inside all of us. Oh. Hey, so it is pouring out now. Very relaxing. It's nice. So, I wanted to talk about this dream I had. It was kind of just nice, and I want to just talk about it so I don't forget it. So, it was weird, like most dreams are, but I remember like I saw like a quadruple rainbow. That was so cool. You know, I saw like 4 rainbows. It's like so amazing. Yep, that's my dream. I also saw like, you know, a sunset. My dreams sort of define me as well, I guess. Yeah, it was a nice sunset. I think I was vlogging the sunset too. Yeah, that's my dreams. It's sort of what it was. It's sort of what I want to remember from it. Yeah, I guess there was something else too, but it doesn't matter. I covered the most important parts. Good night. Yeah. I just want to stand in the rain for a bit. It's so relaxing. Don't you think? Isn't it nice? Isn't it sweet? Wait, is that a song? My whole life is complete. Something in that direction. I don't know. Yeah. So, my day has been mostly classes, because every other day I have 3 classes. Script analysis, theater history, and then philosophy. We were discussing feminism in philosophy. Yeah. And obviously that made a lot of arguments. Oop, I've stepped in the puddle. That's okay, my shoes are good. Oh, it's starting to pour more now. I guess I'll just go in again and upload my vlog and go to bed. I was so tired, but I forced myself not to go to bed so I wouldn't mess up my schedule. My sleeping schedule gets so messed up if I go to bed at like, to take like a nap at like 6 p.m. just doesn't work. It's not smart. Yeah, so I was so tired, and now I'm like, it's not that bad now. You know, you kind of get over the tiredness. Oh, my flip is so wet now. Alright, good night.